Is Suzy.com the next big thing for sneaker resellers, or just another trap wrapped in hype? With promises of wholesale footwear, trending sneakers, and massive discounts, the site has been grabbing attention fast. But the big question is, can you really trust it? After looking closely at what Suzy.com offers, it's clear that the platform targets bulk buyers, resellers, and small businesses looking for deals on shoes and sandals. The layout is professional enough, and the product range does seem appealing at first glance. But when you dig deeper, things start to feel a bit off. The website doesn't provide much transparency about who runs it, and there's limited company background or contact info, which raises concerns about accountability. It's also relatively new in the market, meaning there isn't a strong history to rely on. Some buyers report getting their orders, while others claim poor customer service or no delivery at all. The pricing often feels too low to be true, especially for hot demand sneakers, which is a major red flag in the reselling world. That said, not everyone is calling it a scam. Some small buyers have had neutral or decent experiences. Still, the lack of verified reviews, inconsistent delivery reports, and missing business credentials make it risky, especially if you're thinking about investing serious money or building a resale business through it. So, while Suzy.com might seem tempting for bulk shoe purchases, it's not a platform you should jump into blindly.